Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Emdadul Haque, assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, day shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class nursery. Our today's topic is oral practice. It means that in this lecture we will practice our oral sheet. Okay dear students, now see the questions of our oral. Here, first question. Say in numbers from 53 to 65. It means that we have to say the numbers from 53 to 65. It means that 53, 54, 55, 56. In this way, we have to say the numbers. Just you have to say, nothing else. Okay, now next 77 to 84, so we have to say 77, 78, 79 in this way up to 84, and then 91 to 100. It means that we have to say 91, 92, 93 in this way up to 100 we have to say. Okay, now question 2. Say the spelling of 51, 52. In this way we have to say the spelling of up to 100. It means that which spelling we will ask, you have to say that. Suppose I am asking you what is the spelling of 51, you have to say 51 in this way, F-I-F 50-Y, 51, O-N-E, 1. In this way you have to say the spelling. Suppose 78, then you have to say S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 78, E-I-G-H-T, 78. In this way you have to say the spelling. Okay, next question, question 3. Which number is smaller, 64 or 54? Which one is smaller? Dear students, you have seen 64 and 54 here. Here the ones place is same here, but tens place is different. We have to compare the tens place here. Here 5 is smaller than 6, so 54 will be smaller. 54 will be smaller. Now question 4. Which number is smaller, 75 or 72? Dear students, now see 75, 72. Here tens place is same, ones place is different, so ones place is 2 in 72. 2 is smaller than 5, so 72 will be smaller, so 72 is the answer. Next question. Which number is greater, 85 or 67? 85 or 67, which one is greater? Dear students, now see here, to compare greater or smaller you have to see ones place and tens place. At first you have to compare tens place, as tens place 8, tens place 6. 8 is larger than 6, so you can say 85 is greater. Next question. Which number is greater, 89 or 100? Dear students, now see here, 89 contains only 2 digits and 100 contains 3 digits. Here 1 digit more, so 100 is the greater. Now, so answer is 100. Question 7. Is 51 odd or even number? Dear students, here see 51. Here ones place digit is 1. If the ones place digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, you know that that number will be the odd number. That number will be the odd number. So 51 is odd. Now is 100 odd or even number? Here in 100 ones place is 0. Dear students, we know if a number contains 0 in ones place, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is even, so 100 is even. Now the next question. Is 86 odd or even number? The students, now see 86. To write 86, here 6 is in ones place, and as 6 is even, so 86 is even. Okay dear students, now go to the next question, question 10. 75 and here is a blank, then 77. Which number is missing here? Dear students, you know, after 75 and before 77, here is a number. The number is 76. So here the number is 76. Question 11. 95. Here is the gap and then 97. Which number is missing here? Dear students, similar question. Here, so after 95 we will get 96 and before 97 the number is 96. So answer is 96. Which number comes before 81? The students, just before the number. Here before 81 will get the number 80. Before 81 will get the number 80. Here is 80. Question 13. Which number comes after 98? The students, number comes after 98, that is, after means it will increase by 1. It means that after 98 the number is 99. So you can say 99. How many sides are there in a square? Dear students, you know, a shape of a square, that is this type. How many sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can say 4 sides. So answer of question 14 is 4 sides. 15. How many sides are there in a triangle? Dear students, you know the shape of triangle, that is this type. So how many sides here? 1, 2, 3. So you can say the answer of question 15 is 3 sides. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Practice this question at home more and more. Okay, dear students, see you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.